Assalamu alaikum, dear student. My name is Laikzada, and today we discuss chapter number 5, 5.2, question number 1, 2, and 3 with very easy concepts. So let's start. First part, x or 2, x or 5. Sorry, x or 2. We add it x or 2 plus x or 5. When we take LCM, LCM is 10. The LCM is a number which is divisible by given number. So if we take LCM of denominator, 10 is divided by 2 and 10 is divided by 5. So the LCM is the number which is divisible by given number. Respected student, this 10 is divided by 2 and this 10 is divided by 5. 2 5 times 10. 5 multiplied by x, 5x. 5 2 times 10. 2 multiplied by x, 2x. 5x plus 2x divided by 10. 5x plus 2x, 7x divided by 10. The second part is x minus 2 divided by 2, x plus 10 divided by 9. We simply add it, x minus 2 divided by 2 plus x plus 10 divided by 9. What is the LCM of these two numbers? The LCM of these two numbers is 18, because 2 9 times 18. 18 is a number which is divisible by 2 and 18 is a number which is divisible by 9. 2 9 times 18, 9 multiplied by x minus 2. 9 2 times 18, 2 multiplied by x plus 10. 9 multiplied by x, 9x, 9 multiplied by 2, 18 minus 18. 2 multiplied by x, 2x, 2 multiplied by 10, 20 divided by 18. Minus 18 plus 20, 2 divided by 18. This is answer. So the next part is 4 plus x divided by 4, x minus 1 divided by 7, 5x plus 5x divided by 2. In question the demand is simply add this 4 plus x divided by 4 plus x minus 1 divided by 7 plus 5x or 2. The LCM of this three number is 28, because when we divide 28 by 4, 4 7 times 28, 7 4 times 28, 2 14 times 28. 28 is divisible by these three numbers, so LCM is 28. 4 7 times 28, 7 multiplied by numerator 4 plus x. 7 4 times 28, 4 multiplied by numerator x minus 1. 2 multiplied by 2 28 divided by 2, so answer is 14. 14 multiplied by 5x. 7 4 times 28 plus 7x, 4 multiplied by x, 4x minus 4 plus minus 4 one time 4 plus 14 5 times 70x divided by 28. 28 minus 4 24. 7 plus 4 11, 11 plus 70 81. 3x divided by x plus 5. Next 10 5x plus 25. Then we add it because in question these two terms are added. 3x x plus 5 plus 10 5x plus 25. 3x x plus 5 plus 10 5. We take 5 common, x plus 5. Now we take LCM. The LCM of these two numbers is 5x plus 5. How? Because 5x plus 5 into x plus 5 is divisible by x plus 5 and 5x plus 5. When we divide x plus 5, this term is cut off. 5 is remaining. 5 multiplied by 3x plus. When we divide this by this, then 1 is remaining. 1 multiplied by 8, 10, 10. 5 3 times 15x plus 10. 5 1 time 5 1 time 5x plus 5 5 time 25. When we 5 when we take 5 common, then 3x plus 2 divided by, here we take common 5x plus 5, then 5 5 cross, 3x plus 2x plus 5 is the answer. 5 part 24x divided by 6x minus 8 divided by 6x minus 18. 3 1 plus x minus 3. Respected student, when we add it, 24x 6x minus 18 plus 3 1 plus x minus 3. 24x 6 is, we take 6 common, x minus 3. 6x, when we multiply 6 by this term, 6x 6 3 times 18, so it is possible. 3 1 plus x. Now we take LCM. The LCM of these two numbers is 6x minus 3. Why? Because 6x minus 3 is divisible by this number, and 6x minus 3 is divisible by x minus 3. When we divide 6x minus 3 by this number, then quotient will be 1. 1 multiplied by 24x. 24x. When we divide 6x minus 3 by this term, then x minus 3 cancel. 6 is remaining. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. 1 plus x. 24x plus 18 1 time 18. 18 multiplied by x, 18x. 6x minus 3. When we add 24 plus 18, 24x plus 18x, 24 plus 18x, 42x plus 18 divided by 6 x minus 3. We take 6 common from numerator. 6 7x plus 3, 6x minus 3. 6 cancel out. 7x plus 3, x minus 3 is ounce. 23 minus x or first part, subtract 23 minus x divided by 5 from 7. We subtract this term from this. 7 minus 23 minus x divided by 5. We take 5 as a LCM. 5 7 times 35 minus 23 minus x. 35 minus 23 minus plus x divided by 5. 35 minus 23, 12 plus x divided by 5, which is ounce. The second part is 6x minus 8 divided by 7 from 5x minus 7 divided by 3. We subtract this term from this term. 5x minus 7 divided by 3 minus 6x minus 8 divided by 7. So when we take LCM, 3 7 times 21, 3 7 times 21 is LCM. 3 7 times 21, 7 multiplied by this term, 7 5 times 7 3 times 21, 3 multiplied by this term, 6 multiplied by 3, x minus 8. 5 x minus 7 minus 6 3 times 18 x minus 8 divided by 21. 35 multiplied by x, 35x minus plus minus 35 7 times 2 4 5 minus 18x minus 18 8 times 114 minus plus 1 4 4 divided by 21. 35x 2x square minus 2x plus 1 from x plus 1 divided by x. We subtract this from this. X plus 1 divided by x minus 2x square minus 2x plus 1 Then we take LCM x. LCM is x because the denominator of this one is 1, which is not written. X divided by x, 1 multiplied by x plus 1, x plus 1. Then x multiplied by all this term minus 2x3 minus 2 x multiplied by x square, 1 multiplied by x. We multiply by this term by x, 2x3 minus 2x square plus 1, x plus 1. When we multiply minus, and then the sign will be changed of this, minus 2x3 plus 2x square minus x divided by x plus or x minus cancel, minus 2x3 plus 2x square. We write it in arrange form, minus 2x3 plus 2x square plus 1 divided by x. Divide the first expression by the second. x4 minus 10x square plus 9, x square minus 2x minus 3. Then we write its roots. Its roots are x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 1, x plus 1, and the denominator roots are x minus 3, x plus 1. How can we find the roots of this? Because this is a higher order equation which have 4 degree. We will find the root of this one is by synthetic division. x4, when we cut off this, then the answer will be x minus 3, x plus 1, x plus 1, cut off x plus 3, x minus 1. When we multiply this by this, x multiplied by x, x square, x multiplied by 1 minus x, 3 multiplied by x, 3x, 3 multiplied by minus 1, minus 3, x square minus x plus 3x, minus x plus 3x plus 2x minus 3. Now you find the roots of these two terms, numerator and denominator. X square minus 10x square plus 9. We find the roots of this one by synthetic division. First, the first x4 coefficient is 1, then we write 1. The second coefficient x3, x3 is not available, so 0x3. 0x3, the second coefficient is 0, and the third coefficient, x square coefficient, is minus 10, minus 10. X coefficient, x is not available, so the coefficient of x is always 0. Here is 0, and the coefficient of constant is 9. Then we find roots by synthetic division. In synthetic division, how we can find roots? Then we divide by 1. The first term is az, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 1, minus 10 plus 1, 9, minus 9, 1 multiplied by minus 9, minus 9. 1 multiplied by minus 9 minus 9. So the remainder will be 0. When we divide it by minus 1, the first term is as it minus 1, this is 1, minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, minus 1 multiplied by 0 0, and minus 9 plus 0 minus 9, minus 9 plus multiply minus 9 plus 9, minus 9 plus 9 0. When we divide by minus 3, the first term is 1. When we divide by minus 3, the first term will be 1. Minus 3 multiplied by 1 minus 3. 0 minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 plus 9. The remainder will be 0. When we divide by 3, the first term is 1. 1 multiplied by 3, 3. Minus 3 plus 3, minus 3 plus 3, the remainder will be 0. So our roots is x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 3, x plus 1, 3, x minus 1, x plus 1. So we write it in this term, and the roots of this one is always by find synthetic division or completing square or by formula or by factorizing. So I want to